Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, when we were discussing about gold yesterday, gold was trading in a narrow range. We were discussing about the possibility of a technical correction, not trend reversal, because there was no news in the market. And finally, we got to see some profit booking, not proper correction, but at least we got to see some profit booking on the chart of gold yesterday. But still, the market is inside the range only. Gold recoups from 1 week low as tariff uncertainty weighs on risk appetite. Gold hits 1 week low as investors cash in trade war fears persist. Gold prices dropped to their lowest level in over a week on Tuesday as investors book profits after a record high in the previous session on ongoing fears of instability around US President Donald Trump's tariff plan. So the trade war threat, okay, is still going on in the market, or the fear is still there. So we can see that the trade war sentiment is still dominating the market. And as we all know, if the market sentiment doesn't change, then obviously the trend of the market will also not change. Those who are still waiting for a trend reversal, my dear friends, you will still have to wait because there is no sign of trend reversal. Maybe we will get to see some technical correction because gold is still waiting at the high. This is the daily chart of gold, and we can see that gold is still standing at an uncomfortable place here. So for a proper movement of the market, okay, we need gold around 2800 or at least 2850. Let's wait and watch. Time will speak. Why 2800 not below 2800? Because we can see around 2800 we have the previous resistance working as support. We have the moving averages coming up, so we can expect that if gold falls also without news, then the overall trend of the market shall continue. And most importantly, at 2800 we have the highest number of contracts. So I don't think so if gold falls also, okay, if the technical correction is a big one also, gold is not going below 2800 that easily. So at least I'm going for a buy around 2800, 2810. And as a position trader, swing trader also, we can buy around 2800, 2810 if market shows further downside or further technical correction or profit booking, whatever you call it. And if you look at the chart of gold right now, we can see the chart is a little bit messy. Overall trend of the market is bullish, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but the present chart or the hourly chart of gold is messy. If you look at the 50 minutes time frame also, you will not get a clean chart. Okay, so we need to be a little bit careful because in this type of market, if you enter here and there, there's a high chance that you will be stuck. And yesterday, especially, my dear friends, when gold was falling, the first support around 2907 was crushed very badly. To be honest, at one point I thought that our second support also would not work, but it gave a nice bounce. So our second support is still valid. 2894 to 2888. This level is still very much valid during the day. The blue box here. Why? Because see, though the market is not very positive as of now, but still, if the volume of the market remains like this, as a day trader, you can look for a bounce around this area. Okay, the second support on the chart of gold is around 2877, 2875. This is our second support because of previous price rejection, and the third support on the chart of gold is around 2864, 2865. So these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position as a day trader if further profit booking comes. Because the chart of gold is messy, so it's better for us like day traders to stick to the levels only. And as I have already mentioned in my previous videos also, that if you're a positional trader, swing trader, and looking for a new position, then we need retracement, we need proper correction. Until unless proper correction comes, it's better for you to wait. Okay, so again I'm repeating, market is messy. We saw some technical not correction, profit booking yesterday, so we can expect that market shall remain like this. So if market comes around these areas, 287775, we can look for a buy position. To be honest, I personally believe this is our best support, and we can also look for support on 286465. And if the volume of the market is low, then we can also look for support around yesterday's support. And if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then as a day trader scalper, you can look for a selling position around 29, okay, 2941, 2943. This is our position for sellers. Why we are considering this? Okay, we are simply using FEBO here. Okay, we can see this is a FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Okay, so we are expecting this level to work. Apart from FIBO, we can also see that we also have previous price ejection around this area. So as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 2941, 294243. Okay. And the level of 2955, 2956, okay, is still a little bit doubtful how market will react. So if market goes up, I will suggest you wait and watch. Okay, if market goes up, okay, if market breaks the level with a heavy volume, then we can look for a buy above it, but otherwise it is better to wait and watch. If you see that, okay, breakout is real, then only go for a buy. Remember, we discussed one scenario. As the market is choppy, so after 40-50 pips, there is a high chance that market will come down. Okay, so if it does, then it's better to exit from the breakout trade, and you can look for support around 2955 area again, around this area. So when the previous resistance will become the new support, then it can be a good trade. But as of now, chances of market breaking 295556 is very less. Let's focus on this particular portion of the market only. So let me not let me so let me wrap it up first. So see, the overall trend of the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. But yes, gold is trading at an uncomfortable level. So we are waiting for a good amount of correction. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader looking for a good trade, then it's better for you to wait for gold to come around 2850 or 2800. That will be the best level to enter. And yesterday we got to see some profit booking on gold, but gold is again trading inside a range only. So gold took support around 2888, 2894 area. So if gold comes down again today, okay, with same amount of volume, means this volume, okay, we can expect the support to work again. Otherwise, our next support will be around 287775 and 286465 area. If market goes up from here, we can look for a sell around 2941, 2943. And 295556 is little enigma for us, how the market will perform, how the market will react. Okay, we are still not sure. If market goes for a breakout, okay, be careful. Okay, and my dear friends, okay, many of you okay ask for Hindi videos. Okay, we have a Hindi channel. Okay, so if you are looking for Hindi videos, आप लोग हिंदी चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. लोग काफ़ी बोलते हैं लेकिन कुछ खास व्यूज़ तो आते हैं नहीं. ओके, सो अगर आप लोग देखते हो तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो शायद हम चैनल को क्लोज कर देंगे. ठीक है. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.